Hey everybody, Mike here. We've got a little bit of reconstruction going on in the garden here. As you can see, as promised, the couch is gone. That was a long time coming. We'll find something else. The dog's been laying in the grass a lot lately anyways, so he didn't really need the couch anymore. He just kind of tore that up. Anyways, I wanted to talk to you about what I got going on with Zone 2. The last garden tour, I went over it, what we have briefly, and it wasn't much. So I'm hoping to remedy that. This was always part of the plan. And I'll go through a few things with you, but basically over towards the entryway, I want to work towards smaller things like blueberries, raspberries, shorter shrubs, and then moving on into the center of the yard, we're going to turn that into basically production of possibly pecans and maybe even walnuts. We'll see. To see what trees are recommended here. But we managed to go to a stand and get some natural pecans a couple weeks ago when we were out exploring in the Rio Grande Valley. So over the next few weeks, you'll see me planting a lot of trees and getting everything ready for this Zone 2 project, which I will go over with you in this video. So this is going to take a lot of patience. This has been a long time coming, and I hope you enjoy watching me do this. And maybe we'll share a few pieces of information as we go here. Without further ado, let's get this glanced over, and I'll go over my plans with it. You know, plans are never concrete with me. I start doing something and then go ahead and change it up just a little, depending on how things go. All right. Walking through here. This is the section that has always been Zone 2. It's always needed a little bit of work. It's always been neglected a little bit, but that was because I had to readjust my schedule to have time to work on it. But like to get away from things that don't belong here. Kind of work a little more natively. But this will be the berry section when I get everything done. As you can see, it's a tight space. It always has been. Gets pretty decent sun, but still needs some work. I have attempted to put blackberries and raspberries here in the past and wasn't successful, so we're going to try again. Okay, so this will be the new Zone 2 portion. I want to take this whole yard and within reason give it some room. You know, still have walkways through here, but I would like to be able to have some pecan production going on in here, possibly walnut. This is a dead popcorn tree. It's been there for a while. I'm going to spend some time with it. I've got a little electric chainsaw I can mess with it with, but don't have a gas powered one, so it's not going to be a perfect takedown. I might videotape it, I might not. So we'll see what goes there, and please take it easy on the comments if I do publish this. But like I said, like to mix it up. Pecan, walnut, possibly some nitrogen fixing stuff. Maybe black locust, maybe honey locust, we'll see. These popcorn trees definitely need to go. They should have never been here to begin with. But that happened before I got here. So we'll just take them down as we can. One thing I do have to consider with all of this, if you go in a diagonal run from here, and I'll look for the previous video, we did have to put that power main in and run it right through the middle of the yard. So that was kind of an emergency situation and we didn't want to mess with it, so it went straight through the yard. So had to gap everything based on that. So a diagonal from the corner of that bed all the way over to the edge of the porch here. I gotta watch it. We do have it in metal conduit this time, so it will not corrode. So hopefully that'll give it some saving grace. But yeah, I'm gonna try and keep the trees away from that conduit if at all possible. Probably put 6 or 7 trees in here, we'll see. I don't know. I don't want to get to a point where somebody 20 years down the line has to maintain it and it's costing me the whole time, but we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching and we will talk to you again later. Hopefully we'll be getting this project underway soon.